It's your boy Google back on another video. And I know I just freaking made a video right now. I already uploaded on YouTube. But right now, I'm about to show you guys my freaking Nerf guns, okay? Oh yeah, don't forget, subscribe, leave a comment down below, okay? So here I go. First off, starting with these. I already showed this one, like this gun on the video that so here it is. This is how it looks. So guys, this is how it looks. Look it. Okay, I don't know how to show this. Okay, whatever. So yeah, it's a cool gun. But yeah, it's cool because it could go like this. I got two of the same. They're both the same. They're not different colors. Look it. So yeah. Next off, I have this one right here. This one makes noise because it's an electric one. You put more and go. So yeah. Oh crap. There it goes. Okay, next off, I got this one that lights up. Let me turn this off, guys. Wait. Look at what. Is this cool, guys? Look at this. Look at this. Beauty. Okay. Okay, there you go. Last but not least, it's a big boy. This one. There it is. Look. It's so big, guys. Look at this. Wait. Look at this. That's how big it is. Okay. So yeah. Last but not least, this is what I love. I love this so much. I got 100 pack of bullets for this light up gun. For this light up gun right here. 100 pack of bullets. There's 100 bullets in here. 100 bullets. 100. That's tight, dog. That's tight. So freaking tight, bro. So freaking tight. Love it. That's how to go there. Okay. I think I have to end the video right there. Guys, don't forget, subscribe, give me 100 likes on the video, and give me 100 subscribers, please. Please, 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 please. Leave it down below. And thank you for watching. And bye.